Hello guys! Welcome to another tutorial for two-dimensional array. So this is Miss MGC for my channel. So today I'm going to discuss how you will get the reverse of all the elements. So I have here a sample program. So again, this is the code to input the number of rows in the column, and this is the code to input the number of elements. So now I'm going to display now, okay, the matrix or the table for this. Okay, so again, we will use printf rather to display the elements. So let me have this one. Okay, so I'm going to display the elements for index or array A, index I and J. Okay, and then, so let me try this. Okay, sorry, so let me remove this one. Okay, so example, so these are the elements. So if you want to convert that in a table, so we'll add here this one. Okay, so let me run again. Okay, so what we have this time, so what I'm going to do, so sorry, let me have printf. Okay, now I'm going to display now the reverse of this. So let me copy this one. So the reverse of the elements are, okay. Now since we're going to get the reverse of this one, of course we will adjust the condition here. Now, let me run this one so that I will, okay, show you what you're going to do. So let me have here a comment first. Okay, so let me run again. So the-display ko po muna how you're going to view it. Okay. Now, if you will look at this one, nag-start po ako ng index 00. So, this is your row, this is your column. Okay, I started with this one using the 4 elements or using 4 data. Okay, ang number of elements ko or number of rows ko is 2, number of column is 2. So, obviously, since this is 2 rows, ang index niyan is from 0 to 1. Okay, another one for column, since ang in-input ko is 2, ang index niyan is 0 to 1 also. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo. Okay, kaya ito yung nag-display sa atin. Okay, now if we're going to display the reverse of this one, dapat pabaliktad. Uunahin kong i-display yung index 1, 1. Okay, para po mag-display siya in reverse. Okay? So, let me have this one. So, ano pong gagawin natin? Since ang number of rows ko ay number of column, okay, balik tayo dito. Ang variable na ginamit ko for number of rows and column is m and n. Okay? So, meaning, dito po tayo mag-a-adjust. Okay? Meaning, magsa-start ako na ang value ng I ko ay based on the number of rows na input natin. Okay? Which is m. Okay, pero kung nag-input ako ng 2 dito sa number of rows, number 1, nilagay ko dito m is equals, or row is equals to 2, obviously, magsa-start siya sa index 2. Okay, so kung index 2 yan, okay, so ilan po ang magiging value niyan? 0, 1, so parang 2 elements yan. Okay, so kung 2 elements yan, okay, so meaning we have 0 and 1 and 2. Okay, kung this is 2 elements. Ngayon, obviously, ang ilalagay niya dito, ang start ng value ng I mo is 2, meaning, i-assume niya na this is up to index 2. Index 2, which is wrong. Okay, kasi pag nilagay mo up to index 2, 3 na po yun. So, 0, 1, 2. Okay, pagka ganyan, hanggang 2 yung nilagay mong row, this is equivalent to 3 elements already. Okay, so ano yung gagawin natin? So, what we're going to do, we will have minus 1. Okay, and then ito should be greater than or equal to 0 because this is the default index, starting index, and then I minus minus. Same with this one. So, we have n, kasi yung value mo dito ng column ay n. Okay, minus 1. This should be greater than or equal to 0. And this should be j minus minus. Okay? So, let's try. Okay. So, the table matrix is 7, 5, 4, 9, 1, 4. And the reverse of the elements are 4, 1, 9. So, you've reversed ito. And the reverse of this one. Okay? So, I hope you learned this one. Again, thank you for watching my channel. So, please continue to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!